In this video, I am going to show you how to share a file from your Google Drive and also how to hyperlink in MS Word document. So now let's start. So open the Google and then sign in. You need to sign in. Now this is my sign in complete. Now click here and this is my drive. This is my drive. Now you want to share this file. This file you can see. I want to share this file to the my colleague and your friend. And now close and upload this file. So click here and in it, if you want to upload folder, you can upload folder. Now I am going to upload file, only source, and then select this one, source. Uploading is started and upload already complete, you can see. Now this is my file, my drive and source. This is the file. Now I'm going to share this file with my friend. So and then you need click here and then share restricted. Click here and then anyone with the link and then copy the link, and you can now you can share via WhatsApp. You can share via WhatsApp or message, or you can email the link like that. I'm going to log in the WhatsApp. So you can paste here. This is the link and send. So complete. Now if you click here, you can find this document. You can see. Now how to hyperlink, I will show you now. Hyperlink option, you can hyperlink. Now let's see this is my project. This is my project. So this is my project and I want to hyperlink here. This is a source link. You can paste here. Okay, and then control plus you can click. You can see. Now you can hyperlink. Select this link to if you want to hyperlink, and then right click and then hyperlink. Choose the hyperlink. You can see. Select the source. This is the, you can see, feedback note. Select this one and source. Now select this source. This is only local computer. You can add only from this computer only. Okay. Now if you click here, press the control key and then click. You can see. This is for only your computer, but this one is entire. You can this is from Google Drive. Click the control key, press the control key and then click. So thank you guys for watching. थैंक यू गाइस। इसी तरह और भी टिप्स वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।